Hello everyone.
Welcome to the ATL Marathon 2022-2023. I'm Anvita Shivashankar.
I'm Charita Kale.
And I'm Abhinav from Class 8 in Excel Public School, Mysore.
Finding yourself in unclean public toilets is a problem faced by many tourists and travelers. There are many illnesses abroad due to these unhygienic public facilities.
We have learned from our research and interactions with tourists that many people avoid using restrooms because they are so filthy.
Our innovation, the automatic toilet cleaner, was born out of the need to develop a solution that ensures hygienic conditions in public toilets.
The automatic toilet cleaner is a device that can be installed on any toilet stall and was created especially for Western toilets. This device can cleanse your toilet with the touch of a button, provided that it has access to power and water.
The cleaning device is supported by a robotic arm. The arm moves when the button is pressed to place down the cleaning device on top of the toilet seat. Now the pump sprays the toilet cleaning fluid and cleans both inside the toilet bowl and on the toilet seat.
The brushes rotate to wash both the toilet seat and the toilet bowl after a 30-second pause. The toilet seat and bowl are then both cleaned with water. A jet of water will be sprayed on the floor at the same time through strategically placed pipes to clean it.
To finish the cleaning process, the toilet flushes automatically and the robot arm retracts to its starting position. We use the Arduino Uno to code the program that controls the whole sequence of operations.
The list of components used for a prototype is shown. Abhinav handled the coding, creation of the prototype and the primary research.
Sarita contributed to the prototype development, the research document, and the primary research.
Manvita worked on the secondary research paper and the script for the video.
We believe our innovation is highly beneficial for keeping public toilets sanitary,
Thereby improving health standards and saving millions of lives.
Currently, the G20 contains 70% of the world's population without adequate sanitation. This innovation can be used in many of the G20 nations where the sanitation and hygiene are major problem areas.
Thank you.